question in regards to Refuah on Shabbos.
Mm-hmm.
And since we're not allowed to get Refuah for like mild discomfort, like no medication and so on. So are we allowed to ask Hashem for Refuah in this case? Shabbos?
No, that's another thing. So unless it is a public, in regular Shmona Esrei, for example, right, and when we have 19 blessings, so it's one of the requests we ask for Refuah. We have like part to insert when you insert all of the names, including your name. So if you don't feel well, right? But on Shabbos we don't have that. So because it's not allowed on Shabbos to ask for your personal needs, because you consider it on the spiritual needs, right? And usually people when they start thinking about their personal needs or personal things that physical or material things that they're missing, so they get sometimes very upset. So and Hashem does not want people to get very upset. So that's why there is no Refuah prayer on the Shabbos, but there is communal one. For communal, yes, we actually, that's Rabbi, right? After the Torah reading, he said this blessing, and we just insert our names. So just communal, yes, it is for communal need. We can do whatever we need to. That's an exception, right? But yes, for a minor headaches, minor like I don't know, stuffy nose, you would not be allowed to take things, for example. But some things that are not specifically medicine. For example, for what I do for stuffy nose, some people use it like it's like bisumim, right? To smell things. But for me, like it's peppermint, right? So peppermint, like oil, like that's what I use for, like otherwise I cannot fall asleep, right? So I put some peppermint oil. It's like so strong. It's so strong. It's clear your nostrils. I mean, for some time, at least. And but it's some people you use it. I don't know, to burn like in the candles or something with the water. I don't know, whatever they do. But so it's not exactly 100% medicine. People use it as medicine and as not medicine, as just to smell, because smell nice. Okay. So, but medicine, like for minor things, we don't take. Yes.
So, our friend says, question number 2: is it allowed to take vitamins on Shabbos?
No, vitamins not. No, we don't take vitamins. No. So because vitamins is like useless. It's not medicine. So we're allowed to take something. I'm going to tell what we're allowed to take. Something like if you to prevent getting sick. So for example, you feel like I have a stuffy nose. I have a weakness. I have fever coming. This coming. That coming. So yeah, you would be allowed to take vitamin C if you or whatever this. 4 pills that this Dr. Zelenko recommended. Okay, so because it's proven to be working in most of the cases, like it's not like it's to boost your immune system basically. So if you take it on time, so it's possible that you stop the disease. Yes. But in general, somebody like taking medicine, this vitamins it's not allowed. If somebody taking medicine like from a high blood pressure, from kidney stuff, I don't know, from whatever for blood, yeah, of course there is no problem. You should continue taking, or you take these antibiotics for the doctor tells us 7 days, 10 days, whatever, 5 days. Whatever, continue taking. Don't stop on Shabbos. Absolutely not allowed.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Next question on the board. Shalom Kabbalah. if one uses peppermint oil to stay awake, should he say bracha for it?
To stay awake? What does it mean?
Yeah, perhaps like smelling peppermint oil to stay awake.
I mean, for sure you enjoy. At least I love that the smell. So you would say blessing only once, and if you want to continue smelling, you continue smell. But I don't know, mine is very very like potent. It's so sharp. Like if I apply a little more, like half a drop more, it's like it goes like into my brain. It's so sharp. It's a lot. So. I've been using for so many years. I use like just a little bit from the bottle. It's very good. It's much better. Like I know that there are on the market, some people told me like get this spray. This spray is very good to kill you. All of these sprays, yeah, they're effective. You spray in your nose and you don't have congestion for, I don't know, this is 6 hours, 12 hours, but it's killing you. It's not good. All of these things are not good. It's not. I mean, it takes the symptoms, but does not help you really. But this peppermint oil, it's natural, cost almost zero, because you're never going to use it. I mean, like I bought 1 ounce, 1 ounce, like 10 years ago. I'm still using it. Still, maybe they use 10% of it. Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.